Alright guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing part 5 of making a Doors game. So yeah, let's just get started. Yeah, I changed the rush sprite because it been looking pretty goofy last time, and the player sprite because yeah, I just did all that. And uh I might change the doors looks later, but I'm not gonna do it in video because you guys can just do whatever you want. Okay, so first off, I said last time I was gonna make rush kill, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing right now. So, what we need to do is create, just to clear, just to like, um, uh, I don't know, make a new block called like sensing, I guess, or whatever. So what we gotta do is if touching player hitbox, then what we need to do is create a new variable called health. For all sprites, click OK. Set health to 0. Or yeah, just stop all. So that's no, put stop all in the if. So just put sensing just down here. So let's just try it out. Try and spawn in rush. Oh, no, I'm just gonna do one out of one. What? Okay. Yeah, it just stops the game. I need to make a closet because this guy ain't surviving once rush spawns in. So yeah, create a new sprite. Just like do closet, whatever. I don't really care. Alright, I'm done my closet. It looks fine, I guess. So we gotta do the same thing as all the other sprites here. Okay, so just drag this into this closet sprite. Wait 0.01 seconds and wait until elevators done equal to yes, whatever. Okay, name this closet. I forgot to do that. Just put a hide block in there. Wait wait until done elevator equals done is yes. So what I gotta do, just duplicate this, I guess, just drag in there. Okay, like that. So forever if x position is equal to, okay, how long can this guy go? Yeah, let's just say like negative 290, and maybe like negative 275, I guess. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, this is supposed to be positive. Alright, now that's out of the way. It should work. I don't know. Uh, okay, I don't really care. So, what else we gotta do? Just do this. Boom. Okay, just do that again forever. Go to X. Okay, now I gotta make another variable. Closet X. Uh, I'll just keep it for all sprites for now, I guess. Just put scroll X minus closet X. So we're gonna put, actually, just put a plus sign for now. So scroll X plus closet X, and then just set the Y position to whatever you want. So yeah, mine is kind of big, so I'm going to change that. It's so tiny now. Oh God. Just gonna change the Y position a little bit. 45. Sure, that works. And yeah. So now we gotta make this guy get in the closet. But first, before I do that, I gotta set the closet to go to back layer. Okay, there. So we're done that, I guess. So now what I gotta do is say key W pressed, setting closet to no, and show. Alright, let me try that again. Yeah, I think it works. Forgot to set closet X. So set closet X. Uh, just set closet X to like 0. Uh, yeah, I think it's done. Okay, we gotta do move backwards 2 layers. No, 3 layers. Bro, what? 5? Yeah, sure, that's cool. Alright, so once we have that done, we can still move, but that's gonna be a problem. Just, I guess, go to, or set X to closet X. Does that work? No, that does not. Oh yeah, I see why. Okay, we actually gotta move this to here. So, I'm just gonna create another one. Forever if in closet is equal to yes. Okay, let's just say that. So now wait until in closet is equal to no. Set X to closet X. Okay, so I mean it kind of works, but it's not working. So I think I know the problem. I'm not sure. I might have to edit this out. I don't know. So put an if in there. In closet is equal to no. Let's just try that. Oh God, that is all right. I mean, it sort of works. I mean, I think we have to do the same thing for the other one. Here. Yeah, see, it doesn't move now. That is good. We, like, we need that. Yeah, it does work. Oh yeah, actually, we gotta replace set x2 to set scroll x2 to closet x. Yeah, see, it works now. So yeah, we got that done. Yeah. Uh, so what else I gotta do? Yeah. As you can see, I forgot to even say this. Also create another room because I got bored. There's like nothing else to do. So I'm just gonna create a new room. Just for testing, I'm just gonna do the same thing as this room and just, yeah. Uh, that was weird. All right, generate room. Oh God, why is that laggy? Yeah, so that works. So I'm just gonna, I guess just, uh, remake this room in the next episode. That is all for today. So yeah, I mean, so part six. By the way, part six is gonna come out sooner because I done like not a lot of stuff for this one, so I'm gonna post part six more early. So yeah, hope you enjoy.